Hello guys, welcome for this new Shopify tutorial. So today we will learn how to display the right product image in front of a specific variant. So for example, if you sell products with different colors or different materials, you may have to display the right images when your customers select a different variant. It will definitely improve your conversion rate. So if you are with this type of online shop, this tutorial is definitely for you. Okay, so let's start. So here, for example, I have a painting with different material, and as you can see, I can select between two type of papers, but as a customer I will not understand what is the difference, and so it will be confused, and I could just give up my purchase because it's not clear enough. So how can we display the right product image when I switch the variant? So it's quite easy with Shopify. So you don't need a specific plugin for basic configuration. So you just go on your product, and so then you will upload all your different product images, and just right below at the level of the variants. So you will just select here which one you want, which images, you will just select which image you want to display. So here, for example, for the classic paper, I will display this one, and then for the art paper, I will display this one. Then save. So then if I go back on the product page and I select, for example, the second option, so I will have automatically the right image. So this is definitely a good one to improve your conversion rate, specifically if you are selling products with different variants. So give a try as well on your Shopify store. And if you have any questions, just write your comment below the video, or you can have a look as well on my website, and I will share with you more tips and advice regarding this tutorial. Okay, thank you for watching me. I wish you a good day and speak to you soon. Bye.